There are so much people. There are so many people. There is 3 books in the box. There are 3 books in the box. She have gone to the park. She has gone to the park. He was boring in the class. He was bored in the class. How much is the temperature? What is the temperature? Ali is living far away with Soria. Ali is living far away from Soria. I have a good news for you. I have good news for you. You are play cricket. You are playing cricket. They did not went there. They did not go there. He has died this morning. He died this morning. I speak English good. I speak English well. I am going to home. I am going home. I like to play the basketball. I like to play basketball. I am very good in English. I am very good at English. I'm here for teach you English. I'm here to teach English. I looked at me in the mirror. I looked at myself in the mirror. The shop is opened every day. The shop is open every day. He cannot read and write. He cannot read or write. He goes better every day. He gets better every day.